Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a winning from Miss Little Scrappy. She had a challenge on her channel, and the challenge was to bring it in the new year. You had to make a tag and some cards, and so she just finished that one up, bringing it in the new year, and she said I won, so she said winning, so let's take a look inside, and I will definitely have the link for her channel below. See what I want. Alrighty, so here's a card. Pretty card. You got a pretty penmanship, Lisa. She said, congratulations on being my first prize winner. I really do appreciate you participating in my challenge. I appreciate you being one of my crafty friends. Looking forward one day we can get together to have lunch. Enjoy your winnings. Your crafty friend, Lisa, aka Miss Little Scrappy. And Lisa, I love to. And so I ended up winning a travel stamp platform. Thank you, Lisa. So, like I said, I know you guys probably have seen this. This is the miniature version of the huge Tim Holtz one that he had out. So this is similar, not the same, but in the category like a Misty, in the fact that you can stamp on it. I gotta get it out of here. But anyway, so it's by Tonic Studios. So it's in here. So that's my stamp platform. Yay! So thank you, Lisa. And it was a pleasure participating in your challenge, and I would definitely put her links in the list. Okay, I'll put her links down below. Please like and subscribe and tell her that Dawn sent you. So anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing. And guess what, you guys, have a wonderful crafty day, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.